Hello Internet, this is Optimized Gaming with the first ever video on this channel, and I thought I'd start off by unboxing the equipment, some of the equipment that I'm going to be using to bring you these hopefully good quality videos. So first is going to be, so I have good audio quality, is the Blue Yeti microphone. I think this is the most classic model that they've sold lots and lots of, that they have 11,000 reviews for on Amazon. But thought I'd unbox it anyway. This is a USB condenser microphone, and Blue now has a range of microphones from $50 all the way up to $150, and I believe this was $130 when I bought it from Amazon. I didn't see any promotions, and I don't see why they would because it sells so well, but this is a little bit hard to find during the pandemic because everyone's working from home and everybody is in need of high quality audio to do all their Zoom calls for school, for work, what have you. But anyway, the difference really between all the models is the number of condenser units, capsules that are in the microphone that lets you capture higher quality audio from all different directions depending on where the sound is coming from. And this one has 4 settings and 3 capsules, and they detail here the 4 modes: cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. So you can see here, that's your head and where you're speaking into. The center thing is the mic. So depending on what you'd like to do, you can choose the mode you want, and you can buy the microphone at the right price point for what you're looking to do with your microphone. So in this case, I didn't want to cheap out too much, and I'm really interested in this because it's going to be just me with the microphone in front of me speaking while gaming. And they say it's good for game streaming is the first thing they show. So anyway, yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Enough of me yipping and yapping here. Okay, so it comes in another white box. I need to peel this off. I wonder if you guys can hear this. Y'all hear that? Okay. And of course, the audio that's being used right now to record this video is not from this microphone, so hopefully my audio quality improves drastically with this microphone. So first off, they give you, looks like wow, I didn't really know this cable was used still, but this is a mini B USB cable to USB-A. Unfortunate that that's not USB-C, but I guess this mic has been around for a while. And here is, manual. And I will peruse this if I need to later on. And in here is the star of the show. And I think there is nothing else in here. All right, so let's get the plastic off of here. All right, so the microphone is actually quite a bit bigger than I expected. That's also one of the differences. The Blue Yeti Nano, for example, is going to be shorter than this, and I actually wanted something tall so I can reach up to my face while I'm at my desk, while I'm playing on my couch, and I want to put this on my coffee table because I am going to be doing a lot of console gaming on the TV in the living room. So let's do that. And it's looking quite good. I chose a silver color. They also have a gunmetal gray or black and a blue version, of course, since they are called Blue microphone. But that's the back of the mic where you have gain controls if you want to turn it up or down and you don't want it to spike, and also the patterns that we were just talking about. And over on the front, you have the blue logo, a quick mute button, so you can cut yourself off especially if you're talking with a partner or if you need to interrupt your session for any reason. And then here is the headphone volume. You can monitor your voice while you're wearing headphones real time with no lag. And I believe the ports are down here. So there's the headphone jack on the bottom so you can monitor yourself, and the mini USB port that's used to connect this to your computer. And it looks like there are, you can adjust this and loosen this up if you would like as well. So anyway, here's just a quick unboxing of the Blue Yeti microphone. Let me know if you have any questions, and look forward to uploading some gaming channel content coming to you soon using this microphone. Thank you all for your support, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more clips. Thank you.